Good morning, my name is Kath and I work for Sally Holland, Children's Commissioner for Wales. And I'd like to say Happy New Year to you all and talk about the right of the month in January, which is Article 29, the right to be the best you can be. I think this is one of my favourites. I love it because it's about achieving your best, being brilliant and trying your hardest. This might link at school to setting some New Year targets. It might link at home to setting some new aspirations or New Year's resolutions, things you want to try, because you've all got the ability to be the best you can be and you all deserve your right to be the best you can be. So have a little think, and you're challenged to think about what would you like to do this year. Would it be to climb a mountain? Would it be to take part in a sports event? Would it be to write a story? Would it be to make a new friend, or anything you like? So your challenge is to think about 5 things that you would like to try this year to give you the opportunity to be the best you can be.